Welcome to our channel. Today, we're excited to bring you a detailed look at the brand new 2025 Tata Electric 3-wheeler scooter. This innovative launch is making waves across the electric mobility space in India, and we've got all the important details you need to know. Tata Motors, known for its strong presence in the electric vehicle market, has now stepped into the 3-wheeler electric scooter segment with a fresh and futuristic design aimed at urban and last-mile transportation. The 2025 Tata Electric 3-wheeler scooter combines cutting-edge technology, practical design, and a strong focus on sustainability. Starting with the design, the scooter features a sleek and compact frame optimized for narrow city lanes, making it ideal for delivery services and short commutes. It sports LED headlamps, integrated indicators, and a digital instrument cluster that displays battery level, speed, range, and other key information. The cabin is semi-enclosed with weather protection, offering comfort in both hot and rainy climates. Under the hood, or rather under the seat, is a powerful lithium-ion battery pack. Tata is offering two variants, one with a 6 kWh battery and another with an 8 kWh battery. The 6 kWh variant delivers a range of around 100 km on a full charge, while the 8 kWh version can go up to 140 km. Both models are equipped with fast charging capabilities, and you can get an 80% charge in just under 50 minutes with a DC fast charger. Performance-wise, the scooter is no slouch. The electric motor produces about 12 to 15 horsepower, offering enough torque to handle hilly roads and heavy loads. It can carry a payload of up to 300 kilograms, making it ideal for small businesses, couriers, and fleet operators. The top speed is electronically limited to 50 to 55 kilometers per hour, ensuring safety while still being practical for city use. Tata has also paid close attention to safety and features. The scooter comes with front disc brakes, rear drum brakes, regenerative braking technology, and a reverse mode. For connectivity, it includes Bluetooth and app integration, allowing owners to track their vehicle, monitor battery health, and schedule maintenance through their smartphones. One standout feature is its modular cargo area. The rear section can be customized to suit different needs, from a delivery box, to an open deck, or even a mini passenger cabin, making it one of the most versatile electric scooters in its class. In terms of pricing, Tata is keeping it competitive. The base model is expected to launch around a superscript 12.5 lakhs ex-showroom, with the higher battery variant priced near a superscript 12.9 lakhs. There are also expected to be various government subsidies and incentives which could bring the effective price down by a superscript 130,000 to a superscript 150,000 in some states. This new launch is part of Tata's broader mission to electrify mobility across all segments, not just passenger cars but also commercial and last-mile transport. With growing fuel costs and increasing demand for cleaner mobility solutions, Tata's 2025 electric 3-wheeler scooter is a step in the right direction. That wraps up our full overview of the 2025 Tata Electric 3-wheeler scooter. Let us know in the comments what you think about this vehicle. Would you consider it for your business or personal transport? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates and reviews. Thanks for watching.